How to schedule online exam.
Step 1. Log into School Excel app. Once logged in, click on Online Exam option. In that again, click on Online Exam. Click on Add Online Exam option. Enter title of the exam. Select class. Select one or multiple sections. Select one or more subjects. Select start date of the exam. Select end date of the exam. Select start time. Select end time. Enter duration of the exam. Enter limits of student participation in exam. Choose mark type. Enter passing mark. Give any instructions. Choose exam type. Choose question type. Choose type of result. Publish. If exam has negative marking, toggle on this negative mark applicable option. Toggle on marks display option to display marks. Click on Save button. Check newly created exam under Online Exam List. Step 2. Click on Question Group. Enter group name. Click on Save button. Find newly created group under Group List. Step 3. Click on Question Bank. Click on Add Question button. Select class. Select section. Select subject. Click on Filter button. Select type of question by clicking on these above options. Choose question level. Choose question group. Enter marks for the question. In question field, enter question. Give all 4 options. Select answer option. Click on Save button. Click on Question List button. Find newly create question under Question List. Step 4. Click on Online Exam. Find Add Question button and click on it. Click on checkbox next to the question to assign it to the exam. Click on Assign button. Click on Online Exam List button. Click on View Questions button. Find all assigned questions under Assign Question. Click on Exam List button. Toggle on the exam status to make exam available to the students. To check exam and student account, log out from admin account. Log into student account by giving username and password. Once logged in, click on Online Exam option. Find exam under Online Exam list. To take exam, click on Take Exam button. Click on Start Exam button to start exam. Use Clear Answer button to clear the answer. Click on Complete button to end exam. Click on View Result button to check result. Click on Close button. Step 5. Log out from student account. Log into admin account. Once logged in, click on Online Exam option. In that, click on Position Generate option. Select class. Select exam. Positions are auto-populated based on exam marks. Make changes if required. Click on Save button. Click on Exam Result option. Select class. Select exam. Click on Filter button. Click on View Result button to check results.
Thank you.